let's learn about a plain plug gauge. A plain plug gauge is a measuring instrument which measures internal bore of a workpiece in mass production. Now, let's take a look at the parts of a plain plug gauge. It consists of a go end, a no-go end, and a handle. The size of plain plug gauge is marked on the handle. Plain plug gauge is calibrated at regular intervals. You can see that the size of the plain plug gauge is 24H7. 24 mm is the diameter, and H7 is the tolerance class of the hole. Now, let's learn where it is used. A plain plug gauge is used for measuring internal bores of a workpiece. Further, let's learn how to use a plain plug gauge. Take a workpiece having a bore of 24H7 with tolerance range of plus 0.025 and plus 0.000 mm. Note, the bore size of the workpiece and the plain plug gauge should be the same. Now, fit the go end of the plain plug gauge into the bore of the workpiece. You can see that the go end fits into the bore of the workpiece. Now, fit the no-go end of the gauge into the bore of the workpiece. You can see that the no-go end of the plain plug gauge does not fit into the bore of the workpiece. As go fits and no-go does not fit, the bore of the workpiece is correct. Now, let's take a look at a second scenario. Take another workpiece and fit the go end of the plain plug gauge into the bore of the workpiece. You can see that the go end does not fit into the bore of the workpiece, hence bore of the workpiece is not correct. Further, let's take a look at a third scenario. Take another workpiece and fit the go end into the bore of the workpiece. After that, fit the no-go end into the bore of the workpiece. The bore of this workpiece is not correct, as you can see that both go and no-go ends of the plain plug gauge are fitting into the bore of the workpiece.